Welcome, I'm from the Samsung Galaxy M22 and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. And to get started, power off your device. Once it's off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. And once you see the Samsung Galaxy logo on the screen, so you have Samsung and then Samsung Galaxy, let go of the power key but keep holding volume up. This brings us to the recovery mode. So from here, using volume keys, you want to navigate down and select wipe cache partition, confirm it with power key, select yes, and there we go, cache wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once more to go back to Android. And there we go, as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.